click-through rates. I'm going to take a range that goes from 3%, 3.5%, all the way up to 8%. So 8% is actually quite 8%. 8, there you go, that's 8%. 7%. 7% is actually quite aggressive. And then conversion rates that go from 0.2%, which is where I am right now, to 0.25%. Oh, sorry, 0.3%. 0.3%. 0.35%. To 0.75%. And I want to look at the relationship of these values against this number here. So what I'm going to do with Excel is I'm going to tell Excel, listen, take each combination. So take this 3% click-through rate and take this 0.3% conversion rate. Plug them in, pick up the value that I need and store it. So let me just do a quick run here, and then we'll walk through about what we did and how we did it. So what you do is you go to Excel, you go to data again, you go to what if analysis, click on data table. In row input cell, you plug in this value here because this is what's going to update this entire series. In column input cell, you plug in this value here, update this entire series. You press OK. When you press OK, Excel has done the calculations for you. We'll just format it so it's easier and nicer to read and easier to understand, and then discuss what does it represent and what does it mean. I will also do a simple conditional formatting on this so that it's color scales. There we go. All right, so now let's take a quick look at what Excel has done for us. What Excel has done for us, Excel said, Jawad, if you want to survive in this business and do well, then this is the grid that you want to look at. And this is the grid that works from essentially a conversion rate of 0.5% and a click-through rate of 4.5%. If you can get a click-through rate, so you know your ad impression pops up, it shows up on search, it goes higher, and you've got this here, right? If you got a click-through rate of 4.5 and a conversion rate of 0.5%, then you know this business can work and you can make money. Anything lower is not going to work. So we know for a fact historically that it's possible for you to get all the way to 6.5, 7% on the CTR side, and you know as high as about 0.7, 0.75% on the conversion rate side. As long as you can aim for these two figures, you're fine. If you're any lower, you will be in trouble. So if you, let's say 4% CTR and you're 0.45%, that's just a world of pain. That's this space.